time lapse is donezo's. All right, so we got the garage set. This is it. Did you make a face?
Are you going to explain that you didn't want to redo this, so you just doubled up here?
Yeah.
Because I want them to touch.
We didn't want to redo.
No, you didn't.
Okay, I didn't want to redo this.
And why?
So we doubled up this one.
Because you used a stapler and not a nail and a hammer. So you can't redo it because they're all stapled in and not hammered in.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. What's up, guys? You guys just saw me put up my Christmas lights. It came out super dope. As you can see, I am pretty happy with it. And today we have Mike in the house. We're gonna be doing some side skirt extensions and it's gonna be super nasty, but you ain't ready for it. Right now he has some top ones. We're gonna replace that with some Ubante just like he has in the front. So I'm gonna start off by measuring his side skirt extensions, and then we're gonna remove these guys, which are being replaced. Sorry, top one, but they didn't fit the side skirt width anyway. So we're gonna make some that complement this car really nicely today. Let's go and knock it out real quick. Time lapse. Yo, we are done with Mike's car. Look at these sides. Look at them. Try my best to make them really go with this curve and then cut off where the side skirt raises off the car. Then we added front fins that really complement the body and go up with the curvature of the wheel well. What's up, guys? It is a new day, and today me and the wife are actually gonna go drive up to Julian and get some pie. It's a few days before Christmas, so we're both off and we're gonna have a great day. Right, Bubba? So I got the GoPro, I got it all rigged up, and we'll see if that looks legit. So let's go head on our way. Alright, well, we are currently on the back roads on our way to Julian right now. The views are really nice out here. Should be pretty sweet. And we are about 20 miles away from the pie spot, so let's keep enjoying them nice views. This is really cool. We wish this guy in front of us would drive the speed limit if it's 55. Holy Jesus, dude. Third straight ever. I feel like I need to cut these dudes off. We're going for the pass once I see an opening.
The power! The CRD power!
Now, we can at least go and enjoy this road. I promise not to get you sick. I promise. Hey, so we made it. We finally found parking, and it was way back over there, as you can see, if you can see the car. But we are finally at Julian. This place looks super OG. Julian Lodge, and it's cold. Everybody's wearing. It's not that cold. Oh god, Jenna's dying right now. But man, check out this spot though. Mountain Gypsy. Oh look, babe, they got a breakfast diner. We could do that. We could. You want to do that?
Yeah.
No, we'll just get pie after. And now we're jaywalking. We're jaywalking. Hurry up. Yo, the spot's so sick. Oh, we gotta go up the side. My legs hurt. Whoa, look at that. That's pretty cool. Yo. Sweet. Hello. Yes.
Okay. We got a 30-minute wait list. Okay. She's like, I expected it.
Let's keep moving so we can warm up. Mountain Beadworks. Look at that. Crazy looking. $105.
Calibrated to the cold now.
Cool. We finally got called to our table. Now we're running back. We got some cool stuff. And we're about to eat some soup. Hell yeah. Destroyed. Yes, we have finally made it. Fitness center. People get swole over there. Now we're about to wait in line for this good right here.
The winery over there. We gotta come during like spring or summer.
Oh yeah, I'm down.
Yeah.
Yo, we just secured the bag, my boys. So if you guys come to this spot, just go to the side because that's where you get the whole pies at. If you want to wait in the slice line, it's the main line and it takes forever. Not bad. I think it's $18 each. Get some. Yo, sorry, didn't mean to stop the video, but I forgot to show you guys the pie. So we are home, and let me go ahead and open this bad boy real quick.
Dang, look at the crumbs.
Yo, that stuff looks so bomb. Let me cut a slice out for you guys real quick. Hold this, hold this.
That is a massive, okay, there you go.
I already ate a slice out of the other one. Don't care. Yo, look at that. That is crazy looking. Back to the video. Uncle Randall. Last purchase of the day right here. This thing is so smothered in caramel, it's bombshell. My first bite was nothing but caramel. And we headed out of here. All right, and that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys reached to the end, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.